My name is John Pico, Customer Support Manager for Liebherr Australia.
My name is Dale Rumble. I'm Project Manager for Mackellar Dawson.
Liebherr and Mackellar have a very close relationship. We see it as more of a partnership. When the truck fleet was brought to site, it started with the assembly of the machines. Part of the commissioning involved operator training for the on-site operators. Once the machines were released to production, that also came with a whole fleet of support services from Liebherr Australia.
The Liebherr just excels. We're constantly over 90% availability for the 4 years that we've had them on site.
The results that Mackellar's achieved on the Liebherr 264 fleet at Dawson is very impressive.
The overall productivity and efficiency has exceeded my expectations. Whether it be coal or overburden, it carries the loads that are required to keep the mine site going. The T264, it's simple to service in the way that the machine has been designed. So we can stick to our scheduled service and have it back to work on time. From all reports, the Liebherr T264 is a very quiet machine to ride in and very comfortable, and operators love them.
Liebherr and Mackellar have worked closely together. We believe this is a key success for the strong results that Liebherr and Mackellar have jointly achieved.
After being in the industry for over 40 years and working on all different types of mining equipment, the Liebherr T264 is an excellent machine.